How to enable or disable keep voice access on during phone calls on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then tap on voice access. After that, tap on settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and in here, tap on active during calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch this feature off or turn it on. And here's a keep voice access on during phone calls. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.